Have you noticed something strange? You sleep, you wake up, and somehow, you're still tired. Not the normal kind of tired. Not I need coffee tired. But a deep, heavy fatigue. The kind that makes even small tasks feel overwhelming. And the worst part? You start asking yourself a dangerous question. Is something wrong with me? But here's the truth. Most of the time, the problem isn't laziness. It's not lack of motivation. And it's not even sleep. Your brain is simply overloaded by the modern world. Today we'll look at 5 hidden brain reasons why you feel tired all the time, and 5 simple fixes that can actually help. Reason 1. Your brain never truly rests. Think about the last hour. Maybe you checked your phone, watched a short video, answered a message, opened another tab. Your brain rarely gets silence. Even when you're relaxing, you're still consuming information. Your brain processes thousands of microstimuli every hour. Notifications, movement, sound, new information, and processing information costs energy. Your brain is only 2% of your body weight, but it uses around 20% of your total energy, which means something important. Mental overload can make you feel physically exhausted, even if you didn't move much. Fix 1. Give your brain micro-silence. Your brain needs small moments of quiet, not music, not videos, not scrolling, just silence. Try this simple habit. Once or twice a day, sit quietly for 2 minutes. No phone, no stimulation. At first it may feel uncomfortable, but this gives your brain a chance to reset its energy systems. And surprisingly, even 2 minutes can help reduce mental fatigue. Reason 2. Constant dopamine spikes. Modern apps are designed to trigger dopamine. New videos, new messages, new content. Dopamine is not the pleasure chemical. It's the motivation chemical. It pushes your brain to seek the next reward. But when dopamine spikes constantly, something strange happens. Normal activities begin to feel boring. Reading feels slow. Studying feels heavy. Working feels exhausting. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain has been trained to expect constant stimulation. Fix 2. Lower stimulation before focus. Instead of jumping from TikTok to studying, create a transition. Step away from the phone. Walk for 2 minutes. Look away from screens. This lowers the dopamine baseline. And when stimulation drops, your brain becomes more capable of sustained attention. Reason 3. Decision fatigue. Every day you make hundreds of decisions. What to eat, what to answer, what to watch, what to wear. Even tiny choices drain mental energy. Your brain uses glucose to make decisions, and when decision fatigue builds up, your brain starts avoiding effort. That's why by evening, even simple tasks feel exhausting. It's not physical fatigue, it's cognitive depletion. Fix 3. Reduce unnecessary decisions. Create small routines. Eat similar breakfasts. Plan tasks the night before. Prepare tomorrow's clothes earlier. These small systems free your brain from unnecessary thinking. And when your brain spends less energy on decisions, it has more energy for important tasks. Reason 4. Hidden stress. Sometimes you're tired not because you're busy, but because something is constantly sitting in the background of your mind. An unfinished task, a problem you're avoiding, an uncertain situation. Your brain keeps scanning these issues in the background. Psychologists call this the Zeigarnik effect. Unfinished tasks stay active in your mind, even if you try not to think about them. And this background processing drains mental energy. Fix 4. Write things down. Instead of carrying everything in your head, externalize it. Write tasks down. List worries. Break problems into steps. The moment your brain sees that something is captured somewhere, it relaxes, because it no longer needs to constantly hold the information. This simple habit can dramatically reduce mental fatigue. Reason 5. Your nervous system is overstimulated. Modern life keeps the nervous system in a mild alert mode. Notifications, deadlines, noise, social comparison. Your brain interprets many of these signals as potential threats, which activates the sympathetic nervous system, the same system responsible for fight or flight. When this system stays active for too long, the brain burns more energy, and eventually you feel drained. Not because you're weak, but because your brain has been in constant alert mode. Fix 5. Calm the nervous system. One of the fastest ways to restore energy is slowing your nervous system. Try this. Slow breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Longer exhales signal safety to the brain. Just a few minutes of this breathing pattern can shift the nervous system toward recovery mode. And when the brain feels safe, energy gradually returns. If you feel tired all the time, don't immediately blame yourself. Fatigue is often not a character flaw. It's a signal. Your brain is adapting to a world full of stimulation, decisions, and pressure. But the good news is this: small changes create powerful shifts. Moments of silence, lower stimulation, fewer decisions, externalizing stress, calming the nervous system. None of these are extreme, but together they help your brain restore its natural balance. And when the brain regains balance, energy slowly comes back,